All right, we're going to do two examples of adding and subtracting fractions. We'll do this one first. So the first step is to find the LCD, the least common denominator. Again, the least common denominator is the least common multiple for the denominators. So the smallest number that both of these divide into is 24. Yeah, 8 goes into 24 evenly, and so does 12. So now we want to rewrite 8/3 and 1/12. 8/3, 3/8 and 1/12. We want these to have a denominator of 24. Well, 8 times 3 is 24. But again, I got to multiply this fraction by 1, so the value doesn't change, so we got to multiply by 3/3. 12 times 2 gives us 24, but again, we need to multiply the numerator and denominator by 2 because that's equivalent to multiplying by 1 and it doesn't change the value. So what do we get? 9/24 plus 2/24. And now that these are the same, this is just 9 plus 2/24, which is 11/24. This does not reduce, so that is our answer. Now let's do this subtraction. Well, we need to convert this mixed number to an improper fraction. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11/4 minus 5/6. So what is the least common denominator? What's the smallest number that both of these divide into evenly? It's 12, right? Okay, so we have 11/4 minus 5/6. To get 12, we got to multiply 4 by 3. But we want to multiply this fraction by 1, so it doesn't change. And 6 times 2 is 12, but we got to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2. 11 times 3 is 33/12. 5 times 2 is 10/12. And now we just like this, we just subtract. 33 minus 10 is 23/12. This is good enough. It's an improper fraction, but to write this as a mixed number, 12 goes into 23 one time. And when I subtract, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, we get a remainder 11. So this is 1 and 11/12. So either one of those are an acceptable answer.